Look at that, we just smashed our TP1. My TP2 is up here. All right, how I've been going against the spike on boom and crash. So we're about to hit our TP1. Wow, smashed. Then TP2 right there. Okay guys, so look at this. We are in good profit right now on crash 1000. We are going against the spikes on crash 1000. Okay, so I know a lot of people are so afraid of going against the spikes because if it comes, it smashes, it will hits your SL. Sometimes it does not respect SL, as you guys are aware of that, right? So it's always very crazy to go against the spikes, but today we are going against the spike without fear. Okay, so I'll show you how I've been doing it, because even my students, everybody likes, they love to ask this question: why do you like going against the spike, trade against the spike? Okay, what's the secret? So today I want to reveal my secret, how I've been going against the spikes without having issues at all. Okay, watch the video to the end to be able to know or see my secret, how I've been going against spikes successfully without issues, without challenge. So you can see when in an uptrend, your market is pushing up to that level. So you can see our entry, you can see our SL down here, you can see my entry up there. All right, so my TP1 is here, that's my TP1, and my TP2 around this level. So I can show you my free my VIP platform. I've given them the signal already and they are eating. My VIP are eating. So we are killing the market, guys. We are killing the market. So if you're new on our channel, before I move on, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's hit 12k. We are on 11k. Thanks to everyone that has been showing this love, subscribing and liking our videos, sharing our videos, dropping those good comments. They are really encouraging. Whenever I see more comments, see likes and subscribers, it encourages me to do more. All right, it pushes me to do more. So I want more of that. I want that ginger, guys. Okay, so subscribe, like, share the videos, comment, and join the free Telegram channel, because we are dropping free currency forex signals, I mean synthetic indices signals as well on the free Telegram channel. Okay, so if you join, you'll be able to you benefit from our signals. Okay, my reasons for this trade is very simple. It's very simple, right? I'll delete everything. I think I should delete everything. No need to delete because it will stress me out. All right, so this is my reasons for this trade. You can see this is H4. This is our H4. All right, so we're in a daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see there's a candlestick that printed there on the daily time in the previous day. All right, the previous day. You see, one of the advantages of going to a higher time frame like the daily is to see the bigger picture, to have the bigger picture, to see probably the candlesticks and few stuff that's going to tell you that this is what likely going to happen today. All right, so I moved to my daily time frame and I figured out this a reversal candlestick on the daily, and we have price on key support zone. All right, so I now switched down to my 4 hours chart. On my 4 hours chart, I realized that there was a zone, this black zone here, this black zone right there, that black line. Okay, we just moved from support, so market broke this resistance level, this zone here, went up and back to this point to retest this point. After retesting this point, now we have a break of the structure, and that shows this signals bullish move. Okay, so even if it spikes, I'm not afraid. So this signals bullish move. So I waited patiently for market to drop to this level. All right, and let me tell you something. I saw this one popular known forex trader that dropped this signal on his platform. Okay, told them to start buying already when the market was up here. I told my people, you know what, we're gonna buy this guy much later. All right, so we waited patiently for market to drop back to this zone, to our support. So we waited, immediately market dropped back to our support and printed some candlesticks. My students are aware of those candlesticks. All right, so immediately I saw that, I knew that market would be going up again to maybe to this point. So I decided to give my people on the 1 hour time chart. You can see we are in profit, and we had a strong bullish candlestick, which is stronger than the previous red candlestick. You can see the red candlestick. This bullish candlestick is stronger than the previous red candlestick. So that shows that we are in a strong uptrend. So now you can see market coming down patiently. One thing you need to know about trading is patience. Like, you need to be patient. All right. So every time, to me, being patient is a strategy. If you can be patient and wait for market to play out, have your trading plan and wait for market to play out, trust me, from my years of experience, you will be successful. All right. And stop jumping from one strategy to another. There's no 100% working strategy. Okay, so you need to stick to one. If you're trading price action, unless you're doing indicators, but if you're trading price action, there's no need jumping from one strategy to another. This is what I love telling my students, and that's why they are successful. They are killing the markets. All right, they are successful. So yeah, they are killing the markets already. So don't jump from one strategy to another. You need to hold on to one strategy, master that strategy, and start using this strategy. Trust me, it will never fail you, because you now the person's mastered. Like, okay, let's say I have the same car with my friend, my very good friend. I've been driving my own car, but the day he gave me his own car to drive, I wasn't 100% okay. The way I used to drive my own car, I didn't drive his own car the way I used to drive. I wasn't comfortable, because even if it's the same car, but this is his own car and this is my own, I have my own car, there's a way I match my brake and it will respond immediately, and his own might not do the same. So it can never be the same. When you drop one strategy to another, keep jumping from one strategy, you'll be learning to understand the strategy, right? Over and over, you'll be learning to understand the strategy. But when you keep one strategy and keep practicing that strategy, you master that strategy, right? This is more important than even the video I'm dropping now. What I just told you now. Stop running around circle of doom. This is what we call circle of doom, where you will discover a particular strategy. After discovering that strategy, you move to learning that strategy. Before you get to perfect on that strategy, that trading system, you drop that one and start going for another one, because you've seen a friend that is trading this other strategy. You start going for that one. Then you keep doing the same thing. You keep running the same circle of doom. So please stop jumping from one strategy to another. All right? Okay. So yeah, you can see we are waiting for market to come back to this zone to confirm this level now as a support. After the breakout, I waited for it to confirm it as a support. Then on the 2 hours chart, on the 2 hours chart, on our 2 hours chart, you can see we had a strong reversal kangaroo tail. This kangaroo tail, we had a strong reversal kangaroo tail candlestick. My students are aware of that candlestick, so which is a high probability. This is my ideal candlestick. Okay, high probability setup, and you can see what is happening now. We're hitting our TP1 up here and TP2 up to this level, and our SL down here, $15 lost. If it goes against us, then here about 30 to 40, about $40 TP1 and about $70 something TP2. So that's how to trade. That's simple. All right. So I have so many means of letting you understand it. If I teach you just 2 weeks, trust me, you will not look for any other academy to join again. I'll give you my best, my very best. That is how I teach all my students. Yeah. So sorry guys, I had a little issue. So you can see now we are in an uptrend, right? So this is a strong support zone. You can see market reversed several times here. All right, we had like to reverse around this level, so which makes it a very key level on the chart. And then we had market dropping back to this point, and after dropping, we had a reversal candlestick printed on the support, and market started going up, right? So we're targeting the first high here as well, TP1. All right, so we also have another trade that is running, and remember we have the this MA below the current price on the 30 minutes time frame and even on the 15 minutes time frame. All right, you can see that. So you can see the probability is high. You must have reasons, like 3 to 4, 5 reasons why you're taking a particular trade. You don't just jump in. All right, that's why you need patience. You need patience to be successful in trading. All right, so because someone that is not patient enough, all right, someone that is not patient enough will want to start jumping, start buying from here. But I had to wait patiently for market to drop, because I know this is spike, this is crash. It will definitely crash back to my support for me to find an entry. So even if it spikes, I'm not afraid, because it has shown me that, okay, we are in an uptrend, strong uptrend, right? So we also have another trade that is running, VIX 100 1s. All right, this is VIX 100 1s. All right, let me move my SL already above that level. So I just moved my SL above that level. So you can see we're running in good profits. This was my entry. You can see that very well. This was my entry. My SL was just below this point, and now we are heading to the moon, guys. We are heading to the moon. I'm so good. I'm so good, guys. My people does not fail. My VIP are eating. My VIP, they are really eating because I'm too good, bro. I'm too good. I'm not bragging. In fact, I'm bragging. I'm making noise, right? Because I'm too good. I'm so proud of myself, guys. I'm so proud of myself. Do you know what it means? 7 good years of trading. Wow. So I'm so experienced in the market that I know what I'm doing. So this is our second trade today, and we are in good profits. We're in good profits, guys. So we the best. Wow. I wanted to take VIX 25. I wanted to buy VIX. Oh God. I wanted to buy VIX 25. Oh God. This would have been my entry on VIX 25 here. Look at that. So guys, you can see how simple it is. Market was somewhere here when I saw it was somewhere here when I saw that market would be dropping back to this point. Then we start buying. I just know why my people did not notify me, because I dropped this analysis on my. See, the good thing about my academy, if you join my academy, I always drop my analysis early morning. I'll drop analysis, and me and my student will discuss how we're going to make money today. I'll show them, okay, these are the trades I'm taking. All right, so that if market gets to this point, and if I'm not aware, you just notify me so that we take this signal together. So they make money even more than I do because they are always there. All right, so I dropped this signal, this setup earlier on my academy platform. All right, my academy platform, for them to notify me when it gets to this point so that we could buy. But I forgot. I know, but I'm not sure any of them said anything. I'm not happy right now. Wow, we missed that. This would have been my TP1, guys. This would have been my TP1. This would have been my TP1 from here. So you can see how simple. I know what's going to happen in the future. Like, I stay in the future. I wait for market to come to me. I don't rush the markets. But if you're depending on indicators only, you're going to lose. Like, indicator will deceive you. It will deceive you. So you can see this would have been our trade today. Not trade today. Would have made so much money. So it would have been our third signal for the day. You can see now 3 good signals, 3 good profits. That's how we do it. That's how we make money here. That's how we make money. VIX 50. VIX 50 is like I had a VIX 50. So we saw VIX 50 from here yesterday. All right, from here down, and we made some money. Then it started reversing. We pulled out, we jump out, and it's good to start buying. Maybe to start buying. 25 1S. 25 1S is consolidating. I'll be buying it somewhere down. All right. So I know what all this market are doing. I know what they are doing. I know exactly what they are doing. So yeah, this guy might be selling too. We bought from here 2 days ago. We bought from here all the way to this point. So we are too good, guys. So that will be all for now. Make sure that you join the academy. You need to learn. Everybody needs to learn how to make money this year. All right. Everybody needs to learn. All right. That will be all. I love you guys. Bye-bye. Look at that. We just smashed our TP1. My TP2 is up here. All right. How I've been going against the spike on boom and crash. So we're about to hit our TP1. Wow, smashed. Then TP2 right there.